Namo Nama everyone. So now today we'll be summarizing the story Wonderful Waste. So this story is actually set in the kingdom of Travancore in India. The king of that place is organizing a feast in his palace. So now the cook was quite busy in the kitchen with the preparations for the feast. So now the king wanted to make sure that everything is being prepared properly, and he wanted to inspect that what was going on in the kitchen. So he pays a visit to the kitchen. Now something odd over there catches his attention. He finds that a lot of vegetable scrap is there in the basket. Now this scrap was of no use and was treated as a waste. So when he saw that, the king ordered the cook that he should not waste those scraps. Instead, he commanded him to make use of them in a wise manner. So now, when the king commands that, the cook was very confused and baffled. He had no idea that what he should do. So he started thinking very hard. All of a sudden, an idea came to his mind. He took all the vegetable scrap and washed them thoroughly. He started cutting them into long strips. After that, the cook tosses them in a pot and lights fire to cook it. Then after that, he adds grounded coconut, green chilies, garlic, salt. So all of these things enhance the flavor of the dish and cooks it quite well. After that, the cook whips some curd up and adds it to the boiling curry. He even pours few spoonfuls of, coconut oil. So the entire flavor combines very well together and gives the dish a very nice aroma and even a very nice look. Right? It was very pleasant. Then at the end, he garnishes the dish with curry leaves and it is ready. When he serves that dish to everyone loves the dish a lot. And the cook then names that dish as avial. And that becomes a very popular dish in Kerala. And it is also a part of a traditional Kerala feast. So once which was a waste is now a part of feast. So the story Wonderful Waste tells us a very great deal about recycling and how we can be, creative and think outside the box before, saying that it is a waste. And even it takes us into the history and the origin of the famous dish of Kerala, which is known as avial. Right, so Wonderful Waste is a story which tells us about the origin of the famous dish from Kerala. And also it tells us how we can utilize waste by getting a little creative. So it tells us to, avoid unnecessary wastage and think twice before, declaring that this is a waste and we should throw that away. So this was all about the story Wonderful Waste. Thank you so much.